Hey, Eugene in Springfield. Are you a tired landlord, or do you own a couple investment properties that are free and clear that you've been considering selling, but you're not sure if you should 1031 exchange or take the impact of capital gains? Well, I have the solution that you need. As an investor, as well as a broker who's amassed an entire portfolio using owner financing, I can tell you that the owner financing listing system is quite different than what any other agent in town is offering in terms of listing your property and then being able to have this net to seller that just doesn't equate. Click the link below. Let's schedule a one-on-one consultation. I'll walk you through how I market the property, how we negotiate the best price and terms, what vendors in terms of CPAs and attorneys and estate planners that we can provide you, as well as being able to create the timeline to show you the net to seller that's going to be able to provide generational wealth for you or your beneficiaries. So click the link below. Let's schedule a one-on-one consultation and let's walk you through this process that I think is the best way to sell your properties in Lane County.